During his speech at Claremont, Pope Urban II is quoted as having said, "A race from the kingdom of the Persians, an accursed race, a race wholly alienated from God, a generation that set not their heart aright, and whose spirit was not steadfast with God, violently invaded the lands of those Christians, and has depopulated them by pillage and fire. They have led away a part of the captives into their own country, and a part have they killed by cruel tortures. They have either destroyed the churches of God or appropriated them for the rites of their own religion. They destroy the altars after having defiled them with their uncleanliness."
The Pope spoke to reporters about Islamic fundamentalism and repeated that it is not fair to identify Islam with violence.
Credo che non è giusto identificare l'Islam con la violenza. Questo non è giusto e non è vero.
Think about it. Pray about it. That's it for now, but be sure to check out all of the free apologetics materials